Let me on Uber. Hey, bro, you're not gonna catch me on camera saying I'm late though.
But you late though.
How you doing, huh?
But you late though.
Nah, I'm on time, bro. What's up, brother, man? How you doing? Nice to meet you, Dante.
Isaiah.
Just curl your toes up, something. Hold.
You gonna curl your toes up?
Come on, man. Give me a second. I'm tired.
What's your idea? What's your idea?
I got it. It's on my phone.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Take your time.
Nice, right?
Yo, where did you park at, dog?
Oh, the Uber let me off on
You need to get that cardio together.
6 and 9. Yeah. I walked all the way around. I could have just cut through the damn.
All the way around the block?
Yeah.
Everybody does it the first time.
Hi.
Girl, I'm about to show
Hi,
you off.
babe.
I'ma do this for the gram. Introduce you to the fam. They show you love cause I'm the man. I'ma do this, baby. Watch me do it, yeah. I'm gonna do it. Ride, oh, baby. Anything you like, I got, oh, baby. I wanna ride.
What you finna do? What you doing?
Don't catch that on video.
Are you going in the ring? All right, I want to watch you enter the ring first.
Oh, I'm gonna go like Bobby did.
What? You going out on your shield, dog?
I'm just gonna show people side me up.
You never put me in the ring.
I know, first time.
Wait.
It's time to go. It's all good. All right, let's go.
Oh, okay.
The guy that's Justin is Jim.
How you doing, Justin?
I'm not getting myself into.
Nah, you got this, Joy. You got this, cuz. You good?
I got one.
You got this. Go ahead. Get ready.
Sorry if I'm gonna get lighten up here.
All right, so what's your strategy going into this? You know what I mean? Are you ready? Where you gonna go? You gonna go high? You gonna go low? What you gonna do? How you gonna handle this?
Oh, boy, I'm about to go high. Face shots.
Okay.
Like Wilder.
Okay. And then what you gonna
I'm gonna
do?
live and die by my shield, bro.
Oh, that's what you gonna do?
Yeah.
You ain't wearing no suit that was too heavy, right?
I did. I'm gonna save it for after the fight if I lose. But I did carry these Jones all the way over here. So my arms a little tired.
Okay.
If I start like alligator arms, all right, got my excuse.
Yo, just let me see some of your moves real quick. Like turn around. Let me see a couple of the. It's gonna be bad.
Yeah, better believe it. 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 Yeah. You better believe it. I'm back with the genius. They making agreements. We want it all. My standard procedure, declare and decree it. I mean it. You better believe it. Sun like butter, I spread out the bread in the bucket. I swish and I kiss Lady Luck like I love her. I ain't humble, I'm bringing the rain and the thunder. You ain't taking no risk. You ain't finna win like this. I shoot, don't miss. Coupe ain't got no tints. 9 times out of 10, I'm winning. 10 times out of 10, I'm in it. Time's up for your small opinion. 10 times 100K million. Yeah, you better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. Yeah, you better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. Yeah, you better believe it. I'm back with the genius. They making agreements. We want it all. My standard procedure, declare and decree it. I mean it. You better believe it. Came with the fire like Phoenix. Standard attire, designer, demeanor. Serena, I'm serving, I'm working, I'm hurting. The haters inspire the dreamers. You ain't taking no risk. You ain't finna win like this. I shoot, don't miss. Switch. Coupe ain't got no tints. Coupe ain't got no tints. See through all that shit. I don't pay to play. Like a scholarship. Yeah, you better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. You better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. Yeah. Yeah, you better believe it. 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 Yeah.
What happened?
Next.
Anytime, man.
Huh? Oh, you not supposed to be listening, bro.
He not supposed to be
You're
listening?
not supposed to be listening. Yo, I'm next, dog.
Yeah.
You out here like Dory.
He hurt. That boy hurt right now.
I'm gonna be in pain tomorrow, bro.
You tripping, dog.
You want me to pain with this white, bro?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Cheers. Bye.
Wow, this is fire. I like that. Oh, look at you.
What's up?
Bro,
You
stop giving
tired?
people previews, dog.
Yo. Oh, my bad, yo. You sure I can't show them?
No, you can't get the people what they want, man.
My bad.
Hey, why you want to be my doctor?
Hold on, yo. Hold on. Let me see.
You better make my face cute.
What? What does that mean, yo?
You know this bull, man.
What that mean?
Yo, I don't know. I don't know what that means, man. I'm gonna get something now. So you about to get that big tire?
Yo, the biggest. Why you talking about the big tire, dog?
Yo, I am. How much that big tire weigh? How much that big tire weigh? 500?
Ooh.
I'm about to get that joint one time.
Don't do that.
I'm about to get it one time, dog.
You too.
I'm about to get it one time. When you ain't doing that, alright.
You gotta sign that waiver? Yes.
I'm gonna shoot myself.
First thing, last thing.
Oh, I was like, black screen. I'm
Sure
signing
you
my
gonna do
life
this? You
away.
sure you gonna do
I'm
this?
gonna do this, dog. I'm gonna get it one time for you.
Okay.
Man,
Okay.
birthday.
That's a bad idea.
It's a bad idea.
Yeah.
I gotta put my address in here too? Alright.
It's gonna be you versus Tire, dog. You sure you ready about
I
this?
got this, dog.
Okay. When the last time you even lift anything that weighed over 100 pounds?
My daughter?
All right. This is what we going with? I'm ready for this.
40 something.
Signed it.
Alright, come on.
Here we go.
I got stuck first.
All right, hold on. Let me get your stretch. Get him.
You said 500?
Stretch.
Even? Sure, not 490?
You wild, dog. You wild, dog. Let's go. How you feeling right now, though? Your arms are feel good?
My body about to shut down. Hey man, stop recording, bro.
Wait, hold up. All right.
I got that 500 though.
You did get that 500, though.
I got.
Look, I'm gonna give you that. Okay, wait, get him. Ooh.
Say your Instagram.
You can find me at Brianna_funk on Instagram. Welcome to Stay Fly Boys High.
Oh, you was recording that?
Are you recording?
Yeah, but she could do it over again. I mean. Oh. Dante, where your guns at? Okay, it's a gun show. What What is? You all right? Huh? You like you gotta go bathroom? You gotta go potty?
Instagram.
Teamwise_215, professional boxer, Brianna, she's amazing. Y'all wanna come in and get some work with me and Cherry anytime.
I didn't take my whole frame though. You just cut me out the whole frame, bro. Yeah, you just cut me out the whole frame.
What you gonna do? You gonna go in the ring?
Nah, bro. That's 500. That's 500. Bro, I'm about to. Alright, y'all. That's a wrap. Thank you to Brianna and Team Wise for letting us come through. Woo! You wanna say something, little man? Throw your Instagram in there.
Introduce you to the fam. They show you love cause I'm the man. I'ma do this, baby. Watch me do it, yeah. I'm gonna do it. Right, oh baby. Anything you like, I got, oh baby. I wanna ride with you. I wanna roll with you. I wanna ride, oh baby. Yeah, love, crazy love. Never should it, didn't know just what it was, baby. I apologize for all the times you've forgotten what it feels like to be loved right. I don't wanna fight, and I'm hoping I can make it up. Take you out tonight, make you feel alright. When we get back, I'ma beat it up. I know sometimes it's hard to know just how I feel. I wanna tell the world that you're mine. Girl, I'm about to show you off. I'ma do this for the gram. Introduce you to the fam. They show you love cause I'm the man. I'ma do this, baby. Watch me do it, yeah. I'm gonna do it. Right, oh baby. Anything you like, I got, oh baby. I wanna ride with you. I wanna roll with you. I wanna ride, oh baby. Yeah.